Kak coba bikin cincin dari daun kelapa Kak. Oke siap Sap, akan saya coba. Kebetulan ada pelepah daun kelapa yang sudah mau jatuh di trotoar jalan. Nah, ini Sap jadinya. Cantik, unik dan bermotif. Bagaimana prosesnya? Yuk simak video ini. Membuat cincin dari daun kelapa kering. Daun kelapa kering yang sudah saya potong-potong. Buang bagian lidinya. Gunting dengan lebar 1 cm memanjang. Amplas untuk menghilangkan lapisan yang mengkilap. Agar daya rekat lem lebih maksimal. Never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. Siapkan media gulung. Lem super. Gulung daun satu persatu. Perlahan, sampai ketebalan yang diinginkan.
Few moments later.
Setelah lem kering, lepaskan dari media gulung. Rapihkan sisi samping. Ratakan dengan amplas. Haluskan dan sesuaikan dengan ukuran jari. Gambar dan bentuk pola. Untuk mengurangi ketebalan pada cincin. Bor mini atau mini grinder. Rapikan secara manual.
Amplas nomor 240, 600, 1000, dan 5000.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Setelah pengamplasan semua nomor,
Aftermath of preparation, good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini. Semoga bisa menginspirasi, membantu, dan bermanfaat. See you next video.